In this section of video, I am going to explain how will you difference the two sets. How will you find out the difference between the two sets? This topic is generally you studied in the class 11th, and the name of the chapter is sets, relations and function, and this concept is we have came across in the first chapter of sets. Now I am going to start. For example, there's one set. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, this is U. And another set, for example, we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Another set we have B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Let it be, these are some sets. And now I am going to explain you how will you find the difference between two sets. For example, if you have to find the difference between A minus B, or you have to find the difference between B minus A. Is there any difference in between the answers which we will find here in between them? Okay, one by one I am going to explain you. So the topic of this video is how to find the difference between the two sets. Myself is Sonika Agarwal, and if you want to see some more study materials, just download the app from Google Play Store. The name of the app is Sonika Anand Academy. If you want any more query regarding that, you can message me on my WhatsApp number which is given in the video. Now let it come on the topic. A minus B. Now it is written over here A. So all the set of A, firstly you have to write the set of A. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Now set B, put the sign of minus over here and write the set B. What is the value of set B? This is 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Now you have to cancel all the terms which came in the both sets. That means 3, 3, 5, 5 and nothing else. Now what is the answer? 1, 2 and 6. This is only answer. That means all the elements which are left only in the first set, and we just leave all the elements which remain in the second end as it is. But only the answer is all the set of all the elements which are left in the first set. So in this way we find out the difference between the two sets. So the answer of this is 1, 2 and 6. Now let's try. We have to find the difference between B minus A and check whether the answer is same or different. Now if we have to find the difference between B minus A, now we have to write the element of B, the set B at the first place 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Then minus, then set A, what we have to write? 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Now same method we follow. We cancel out the common 5, then 3 and nothing else. Now what is the answer? Answer is 4, 7 and 8. Now you can notice that the elements in the set of B minus A is 4, 7, 8. An element in the set A minus B, they are 1, 2, 6. They are different from each other. So the conclusion here is B minus A is not equal to A minus B. Okay. So now I am going to explain you how will you represent A minus B or B minus A with the help of Venn diagrams. Now in order to present these sets in the form of Venn diagram, firstly I prefer you to find A intersection B. Okay. Now how will you find out the value of A intersection B? I told you previously, but I tell you again. Write the set 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then set B 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Now what are the common terms which are in the both sets? These are 3 and 5. Okay. Now represent two sets using two circles. Okay. As we got some elements in the intersection box, that's why these two circles cut each other, and the portion here we write the A intersection B. This portion represented A intersection B. Okay. Now for example, this is set A and this is set B. Now all the terms which are remained over here, what are these? 3 and 5 are here, so we left only with 1, 2 and 6. So we write here 1, 2 and 6. In this portion, what we write? 4, 7 and 8. Now if we have to represent A minus B, okay, then this portion represented A minus B. Okay, because if you find, what will you get the answer? 1, 2 and 6 now. That's why. Similarly, when you find the answer for B minus A, what will you get? You can check it in your notebook. You will get 4, 7, 8. So this is here. So this portion represented B minus A. So I think the concept is clear. How will you find the difference between two sets? Thank you.